Luxury travel is often associated with first-class flights, private islands, and extravagant experiences, but nothing defines opulence quite like the world's most expensive hotels. These ultra-exclusive accommodations, priced at $100,000 per night or more, offer not just a place to stay but an unparalleled experience of indulgence, privacy, and grandeur. From penthouses that overlook iconic skylines to private villas on secluded beaches, these hotels cater to the world's elite, promising personalized service, lavish amenities, and breathtaking surroundings. With state-of-the-art technology, custom interior design, and once-in-a-lifetime experiences, these hotels redefine luxury. Let's step inside these palatial retreats and explore what makes them the pinnacle of luxury hospitality. 1. The Palms Empathy Suite, Las Vegas, USA. Las Vegas is known for extravagance, and the Empathy Suite at the Palms Casino Resort is a testament to that reputation. Designed by renowned artist Damien Hirst, this $100,000 per night suite is a masterpiece of contemporary art, featuring original Hirst artworks, custom-designed furniture, and a private infinity pool with a view of the Vegas Strip. Spanning over 9,000 square feet, the suite offers a private bar, 24-hour butler service, and a salt relaxation room, making it a true sanctuary for high rollers and art aficionados alike. The suite also includes 2 master bedrooms, a game room with a custom pool table, and an outdoor terrace designed for hosting exclusive events. With a dedicated chauffeur and a private elevator, guests enjoy a seamless, ultra-luxurious experience from arrival to departure. The suite offers an unparalleled collection of rare liquors, high-end entertainment systems, and an ultra-exclusive dining experience prepared by Michelin-starred chefs. Every corner of the suite is designed with artistic flair, from the custom butterfly motif pillars to the shark tank embedded in the walls, ensuring guests are immersed in a truly unique and unforgettable atmosphere. 2. The Royal Penthouse Suite, Hotel President Wilson, Geneva overlooking Lake Geneva. The Royal Penthouse Suite at Hotel President Wilson is one of the most secure and luxurious accommodations in the world. This 12-bedroom suite spans the entire top floor of the hotel, offering bulletproof windows, a Steinway grand piano, a private gym, and a panoramic terrace with breathtaking views of Mont Blanc. At $100,000 per night, guests receive unmatched privacy and security, attracting royalty, diplomats, and billionaires seeking an ultra-exclusive retreat. The suite also includes a library, a billiards room, and a lavish dining area where guests can indulge in gourmet cuisine prepared by a personal chef. The suite's security features extend to reinforced steel doors and a dedicated security team, ensuring peace of mind for high-profile guests. Guests can also enjoy a selection of rare vintage wines from a private collection, while the in-suite spa offers exclusive treatments that blend Swiss expertise with the finest skincare products. The suite's immense marble bathrooms, each equipped with a jacuzzi and rain shower, complete the feeling of supreme indulgence. The suite even offers private access to a helicopter landing pad, allowing discreet arrivals and departures for guests who prioritize privacy above all else. 3. The Mark Penthouse. The Mark Hotel, New York City is the largest hotel penthouse in the United States. The Mark Penthouse in New York City is a marvel of elegance and sophistication. This 10,000 square foot, 5-bedroom suite features a grand living room that can be transformed into a ballroom, a rooftop terrace with panoramic views of Manhattan, and custom-designed furnishings by Jacques Grange. For $100,000 per night, guests enjoy access to a dedicated team of staff, a private chef, and transportation in a chauffeured Rolls-Royce. The penthouse also boasts a state-of-the-art kitchen, a library lounge, and a private elevator. Guests have the option of exclusive shopping experiences at high-end fashion boutiques and VIP reservations at Michelin-starred restaurants. The suite's rooftop terrace offers breathtaking sunset views over Central Park, while a curated art collection featuring original works from world-renowned artists elevates the ambiance to an elite level. 4. The Lovers Deep Submarine Hotel, St. Lucia. For an unparalleled underwater experience, the Lovers Deep Submarine Hotel offers the ultimate in privacy and exclusivity. This fully submerged luxury retreat allows guests to sleep beneath the ocean's surface while enjoying panoramic views of marine life. At $150,000 per night, guests receive a personal chef, a private captain, and a curated underwater itinerary that includes champagne breakfasts and intimate marine excursions. The submarine is customized to each guest's preference, with opulent furnishings, mood lighting, and a personal concierge service that ensures an unforgettable experience beneath the waves. Guests can choose their underwater location, from the coral-rich Caribbean to the crystal-clear waters of the Maldives, ensuring a truly personalized experience. 5. The Grand Riad, the Royal Mansur, Marrakesh. The Grand Riad at the Royal Mansur in Marrakesh offers an exquisite blend of traditional Moroccan craftsmanship and modern luxury. This palatial retreat, costing over $100,000 per night, features private courtyards, intricate mosaics, and an opulent rooftop terrace with views of the Atlas Mountains. Guests are treated to a private butler, a personal spa, and a secluded swimming pool, all within the serene ambiance of Moroccan elegance. 6. The Hilltop Villa, Lukala Island, Fiji. Perched on a private hill with breathtaking views of the South Pacific, the Hilltop Villa on Lukala Island is the ultimate tropical getaway. At $100,000 per night, this villa includes multiple infinity pools, a dedicated team of chefs and wellness experts, and a private airstrip for seamless arrivals. The villa's lush surroundings, organic farm-to-table dining, and unparalleled exclusivity make it a favorite among the list celebrities and billionaires. 7. The Shahi Mahal Suite, Raj Palace, Jaipur. The Shahi Mahal Suite at Raj Palace in Jaipur, India, is a regal retreat that transports guests to the era of Maharajas. Adorned with gold leaf decor, crystal chandeliers, and antique furniture, this suite offers an unforgettable experience steeped in history and luxury. At $100,000 per night, guests enjoy royal treatment, including a private museum, a personal butler, and grand dining halls fit for royalty. 8. The Ty Warner Penthouse, Four Seasons, New York. The Ty Warner Penthouse at the Four Seasons Hotel in New York is one of the most extravagant suites in the world. Designed by billionaire Ty Warner, this suite features 360-degree views of Manhattan, hand-lacquered walls, and a private spa. Guests enjoy a personal chauffeur, a Rolls-Royce Phantom, and a private art concierge. 9. The Atlantis Bridge Suite, Bahamas. Located in the iconic Atlantis Paradise Island, the Bridge Suite offers unrivaled luxury with panoramic ocean views, gold-trimmed furnishings, and a 24-hour butler service. Priced at over $100,000 per night, the suite features an opulent living room, marble bathrooms, and access to the resort's exclusive amenities. 10. The Royal Villa, Grand Resort Lagoni, Greece. Set on a private peninsula, the Royal Villa at Grand Resort Lagoni offers breathtaking views of the Aegean Sea. This ultra-exclusive villa includes a private beach, 2 pools, a personal chef, and a pianist to provide live music during dinner. Luxury hotels priced at $100,000 per night offer more than just extravagant accommodations. They provide an experience of exclusivity, indulgence, and once-in-a-lifetime luxury. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world's most extravagant hotels, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more luxury travel insights.